All right, let's get it over to meteorologist Tracy Humphrey. You're following not only what's happening here locally, but also the latest with Hurricane Lee today.
Hurricane Lee, so not expected to be a major player as far as a landfall in the United States on the East Coast and the Mid-Atlantic, but that does not mean that impacts won't be felt. So let's take a look at the latest. Hurricane Lee, still considered to be a Category 3 hurricane, so still a major hurricane. Maximum winds at 120 miles per hour, gusts at 150, moving to the northwest at 8 miles per hour. Now take a look at the latest track. It will move to the northwest and then it's expected to make a sharp turn and then go due north. Now look at where it is. It's a Saturday morning. It is off the coast of New Jersey, off the coast of parts of New Hampshire, as well as into New York State. Now these areas are not going to get a direct hit, but tropical storm force winds already extend out about 185 miles away from the center. So just because you don't get a direct hit doesn't mean you're not going to get wind. You're going to get dangerous waves, rip currents, as well as rainfall. So if you're going to be in any of these locations in the upcoming weekend, keep in mind you could have inclement weather as a result. So where is it headed? It's expected to make a beeline toward Nova Scotia. But again, it gets so close to other areas that they will be impacted. That'll be something that we continue to watch, but it is expected to be downgraded to a Category 1 by the time it makes landfall. And that's good news. Our future cast. So what's going on here? I'm watching the chance for just a few showers that could bubble up in parts of the Sierra. That comes in for the afternoon and the evening. It's about a 10% chance. After that, we got a minor frontal boundary crossing the region that will encourage more clouds in the overnight. Early tomorrow morning, some of those clouds will filter in through the delta into the valley floor, and that's going to lead us to some pretty cool temperatures tomorrow. Afternoon highs are expected to be below average. In the meantime, though, for today, our temperatures pretty close to what you had over the weekend. 91 coming in for 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 93 for 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 90 for 6 o'clock. 80 degrees coming in around 8 o'clock tonight, and then by 10 o'clock tonight, 71. Afternoon highs today in the mid-90s coming in for Galt and Slough House, 94 coming in for Rio Linda. Yolo and Solano counties, you're pretty much in the same ballpark except when you get closer to the Delta. 81 for Vallejo, 90 in Fairfield, 92 in Vacaville, and there go the mid-90s coming in for Davis, Woodland, and Esparto. Now this is something I want to make a special verbal mention. We are expected to warm back up Wednesday and Thursday, and these locations that are in the mid-90s today could be flirting with the upper 90s on those days. Take a look at these temperatures. Mid-90s in Lodi, 95 in Wallace, 95 in Farmington, 95 in Manteca. You could also be looking at some pretty warm temperatures Wednesday and Thursday before things cool back down. So here in Sacramento, 91 to 92. Extreme portions of the valley floor could see the mid to upper 90s. And then we got a low pressure system coming in. And look at that drop, 88 to 87 to 85 on Sunday. That means that most of the day you'll be in the upper 70s before you start to peak in those late afternoon hours. But all in all, Dina, definitely starting to feel like fall.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
I like that too. All right, Tracy, thank you so much. Is it that mean boot weather coming soon? Because I'll take that too. Always, she says.